Okay, so on the back side, we had to take it all down the middle. It was just the paint just wasn't sticking. But now on the sides, and the reason we did that is because most of the moisture over the years were obviously at the bottom of the tank. That's why the paint was the worst at the bottom. But for the sides and the top and the ends, we're just gonna grind down the dips, and if it's flaking anywhere, we're gonna take that down, and we're gonna hit it with the little abrasive plastic, and then that'll be that. Okay, now I got all the deep pits out. Now I'm gonna come back with the little rubber one. Okay, I might do that by hand. I don't want to take too much. So let me go grab some sandpaper. I want to do the corners by hand, so they'll be nice and feathered. You need to go blow your nose in, little guy?
I don't know, man. I think I'm getting a cold. That's it?
For that side.
Oh, bless you.
Why don't you go blow your nose there, guy? See, if your paint is like feathered like that, then you know it's sticking. But if you see paint like that's got a hard edge or that's coming up, then that's bad. You want to take it down to the middle. I'm trying to leave as much paint on here as I can, really.
Why are you stubbing so hard?
Because I'm trying to get, it should be feathered. It shouldn't be any hard, there should be no hard transitions between the paint and the metal. hand on the top. Turn your rag over because it'll start to smear instead of picking it up. So let's get 2 new towels.
Two for each or one?
2 for each. You just do your side, I'll do my side. That way we'll get make sure we get it even. Man, it's pretty windy out here. Wind is fierce, boy.
It's messing you up?
Yeah. I mean, it's hard to... Let me see if it'll die down a little bit. It's hard to, because you don't want it too far, because then it'll overspray. And you don't want it too close, because then you drift. And it's better to do 2 less and come back and do more than
So you're going too close. I mean, you're going far?
Yeah, I'm going kind of far because I'd rather go far. But then you don't want to go too far because then you don't want to have it thin.
But then
just right.
And the wind is messing up.
The wind is taking the, so you standing in the light. The wind is taking the paint. It's hard to.
Oh, you got to the side.
See?
You stand there?
No, it's blowing the
paint. That one pretty good.
Yeah, see, that's how you want it. You want it to where it sticks.
Solid?
Yeah, and it's solid. Like a nice smooth.
Hold on. There you go.
And at the ends you let go. At the beginning and end you kind of flare it out. Because if you keep your finger on it, it'll drip at the end because you'll have too much paint at the end.
All right. Bless you. Bless me, thank you.
See, that's a drip.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Is it bad or is it just, it's just
well, I'm going to sand it. After it dries, I'm going to sand it. And
it's
just primer.
Oh, this is primer?
Yeah, this is just primer.
What are you going to color it, like the actual color?
It's going to be yellow, like it was.
Just make it black and gray. For all my Oakland fans out there. You made it look easy.
If it wasn't so windy. It's hard to see. I don't even think I'm getting paint on there. I think it's just, oh yeah. See, the wind makes you get too close. That's what happened to me over here.
This part don't look like that part. It looks kind of grayish. Or is that because it's away from the sun?
Probably because it's in the sun.
Why are you doing so many layers?
Just trying to fill up. Well, number one is because it's so windy.
Oh.
And number two, like a lot of the paint, it's just flying in the wind.
How come you don't do it closer then? Because
that makes it drip. So I'll come back and sand the drips and then put on the next coat of
how many coats?
I'll probably do 2 coats of primer.
2 coats of paint?
And 2 coats of paint, yeah.
Stop.
I'm trying to finish
Are you done with this side or so?
Yeah. I'm just trying to finish out this can of paint, really.
That looks really good, man.
Yeah, thanks, man. You did a good job helping me prep. You see these lines? What the hell is that?
Is that already dry?
It's windy, so it's kind of...
It's not dry, but it's
yeah,
solid.
I don't know what these little specks are.
You can get them out when you sand.
Yeah, we're going to sand it because I got to get all the drips. We'll take some 220 and just knock down the drips and then...
Say to the fans.
Any hot spots. Yeah.
So, but we're done for today, though.
Yeah. I could have done a much better job, man, if it wasn't so windy.
It looked good to me. Oh, well, you know, maybe I haven't seen a lot of primered stuff, but yeah, it looked good to me.
I think we'll pick up another couple cans of primer. I mean, maybe one or two more.
And just hit it. Look how good my dad did.
Thank you, sir.
It's awesome. That's kind of white.
Oh, that's the first can of primer gone.
There you
Came
go.
out pretty good.
Yeah.
So we'll come back tomorrow and finish. We'll paint it.
Video too.
Yeah, for the first coat of primer.
Yeah.
All right, let's start cleaning up cup.